Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Escape to the tranquility in this stunning 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom home nestled in the picturesque hills of Malvern, St. Elizabeth. It sits on 3 acres of land. This home boasts breathtaking views and is a true gem waiting to be discovered. Key features include 5 spacious bedrooms for ultimate comfort, modern bathrooms with elegant finishes, gourmet kitchen for culinary delights, expansive garden space for relaxation and entertainment, ample parking for your convenience, and panoramic views of the surrounding hills and nature. Whether you seek a peaceful retreat or a place to call home, this property offers the perfect blend of elegance and tranquility. Make contact now to schedule a viewing and make this dream home yours today. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $1 million, or Jamaican $153.9 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.